Skinny fat. It's one of the most frustrating places to be. You're not big, so you don't feel justified in dieting, but you're not lean either. You have that stubborn layer of softness around your middle, your arms lack shape, and you feel completely lost. The world tells you to just eat less than run more. So you try it. You cut your calories, you drag yourself out for long, boring cardio sessions, and what happens? You just become a smaller, softer, and more tired version of yourself. You lose a little weight on the scale, but the mirror still shows the same undefined physique. That's the skinny fat trap, and I was stuck in it for years. This isn't just a story about a workout plan. This is about the fundamental shift in thinking you need to make to go from skinny fat to fit. The turning point for me was a single realization. The problem wasn't that I had too much fat. The problem was that I had too little muscle. Muscle is the engine of your body. It's what gives you shape, definition, and it's what burns calories even when you're resting. My body had no engine. The constant calorie cutting and cardio were like trying to run a car on empty while simultaneously removing parts from the motor. So I stopped trying to shrink and started a new mission, to build. The journey from skinny fat to fit isn't about subtraction, it's about addition, and it's built on two powerful, non-negotiable rules. First rule, you must give your body a reason to build muscle. This reason is resistance training. I'm talking about lifting weights that challenge you. For 90 days, my focus shifted entirely to getting stronger on a few key exercises: squats, push-ups or bench presses, and rows. I trained 3 times a week, and every single session my goal was to either add a little more weight or do one more rep than last time. This is the signal. This is you telling your body, we are no longer weak, we need to be stronger. Adapt. This is the single most important step to take you from skinny fat to fit. Second rule, you must give your body the materials to build with. You can't build a house without bricks, and you can't build muscle without protein. I stopped fearing food and started seeing it as fuel. My primary focus became hitting a daily protein target. I aimed for about 1 gram of protein per pound of my goal body weight. This meant building my meals around things like chicken, eggs, Greek yogurt, and fish. And a funny thing happened. By focusing on protein, I was so much more satisfied. The cravings for junk food faded away because my body was finally getting what it actually needed. I was eating more food than ever, but for the first time, I was getting leaner. My waist was getting smaller, while my shoulders and back were getting wider. I was no longer just losing weight, I was recomposing my entire body. That's the secret. That's the entire game plan. The journey from skinny fat to fit is about flipping the script. Stop starving yourself and start fueling yourself. Stop jogging for hours to burn calories and start lifting weights to build your body's engine. It's a process of becoming more, not less. Over those 90 days, I watched the soft, undefined person in the mirror slowly get replaced by someone who looked and felt strong, someone who looked fit. This isn't a secret trick. It's a fundamental truth about how your body works. If you're stuck in that skinny fat phase, I need you to stop thinking about what you can take away and start focusing on what you can build. That is your path out.